Hey guys, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to be showing you two of my build mode maps and I'm going to be playing them. So, stay tuned, I guess. Let's get started. This is my build mode name, just if you want to ever join me. And yeah, let's start. Wait, what? Oh. Never mind, that's the wrong one, guys, sorry. This is it. So if you're ever wondering, then that's how you join me. But I might not be online at all times, mostly a lot though, so yeah. Okay, we'll be starting with my first one that I've made so far. So the first one is slot 7. I call it the pool or whatever. And this is it. So, yeah. Alright. This is most of it. Wait. Oh. Okay, yeah. And, we will be getting started. Wait. Okay. So, yeah. Here we go. This is my crawl space. There's some keys. It's over here. Open that. Go through here. There's another door. And I don't need that. I'll go to the. No, I don't need the purple key. I'm gonna go get the mallet because I mostly need that. This piggy. Just woken up. Oh. Okay, that's a good thing. Wait, I need the hammer. But, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I don't know if that was right. Here, let's see, where is the ham? Oh, I moved their places. I forgot. Nope, not today. Okay, yeah, so, let's see, I'm gonna, got it. Good thing, but like I still hate it. Cause I can't dodge or juke or anything like that. I forgot to do that. Okay, now let's see. I'm gonna go get the. Oh, never mind. The hammer's right here. I need the purple key though. Blowtorch. And I'm gonna go get. Oh my god. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, let's go here. Wow, that piggy is fast, honestly. Close that up. Close that. Oh shoot, I forgot I need the plank. Where I have the yellow key though? Oh yeah, that's where it is. Let's go. Or, you know, guys, well, actually, I'll change my mind. I'll do my next video. I'll do my next map in the next video because I'm actually, I don't have much storage left on my phone. So I'm just gonna have to do it on the next one. And once I'm done posting this, I will, once I'm done posting, oh shoot, I'll delete this video, like on my, like off my photos and stuff and videos, so that, oh shoot, did I? Oh, sorry, so then I can post a new video. Hopefully this shouldn't take too long. I don't know. I forgot my whole map. I don't even. Oh no! Please don't let it happen. Oh, it's gonna happen. It happened. Okay. This is way too hard in first person. I need the mallet. Wait, no. I already used it. I need the dynamite. Yeah. I need the dynamite. No, first I need to knock her out so she doesn't follow me. I can't trap her anymore because I closed up the pool. So I'm gonna have to. Okay, that's good. That's good. I just need to run. Just run. Go, go, go. Oh yeah. Okay, I forgot. Oh, never mind. Doesn't even matter. Wait, where's that? Oh, looks like he's gone. Oh my gosh. Jeez, this thing. Pumpiggy should be awake by now. I'm not sure though. Oh, she's right there. Oh, she's stuck. Oh, never mind. No, she's not. I need her to be knocked out again. I can't let her fall down. So I'll have to teach her more. Get some grass. Stop it! Stop it! Okay, it's my chance. Gotta run. Gotta run. Let's go. Where's the green key? It's right here. Let's go. Let's go. 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 So that is that. This is just like most of it used to be way older, and I changed my map a little bit. A lot, actually. So yeah. I should have put it off. Oh yeah, I was gonna say I didn't put the TNT anywhere. Almost. But that's like such a long shortcut. Makes no sense. No. Actually, I gotta place the coins first. Oh, there's one. Nah, boo boo. There's one. Come on, get it out. Okay. I think I put the other coin right here. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I got the white key. I need Piggy to be knocked out again. Or I just make this an extra harder challenge for me. I need the wrench first. Papaya, bye, 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 bye. That'll be some extra too. Come on, get Zizzy Pump Piggy. There we go, that's done. Pump Piggy, don't be. She killed her, right? Okay, good. Unless it disappeared. No. Oh, what do I do? Okay. Go there. I know how to, but like, you know what? I don't know if there's 2 bones left. Just had nothing. I had no choice left. Let's go there. I'm almost done. Good. Oh, okay. I just need the white key. I put it. Where did I put it? Oh, I remember. Please comment, like, and subscribe to this video. I'm hoping for more comments, like and subs. I know I might have a little or a lot. I don't know. I'm not sure. But if you guys can give me more, please. And I'm out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And bye. Show you next my next map in the next video. Bye.